Welcome to Flex Dashboard, the column chart part. Today we will introduce the dashboard. First, you click New to create a new design view, and then drag a group from the left component onto the workspace and resizing it in generic. Change the width as 100% and height as 100%. Now the group is full of the container. Okay, and then we drag a column chart onto the group. See, the chart will be located on the place of the mouse you point, and select the chart and drag anywhere you want to locate it, and customize the X and the Y axis, the width, height. Okay, let's continue to show more property in generic here. The chart type is categorized vertical. The column show as vertical, and you also can reset as other type, like categorized horizontal, categorized by series vertical, categorized by series horizontal, pie, donut, and so on. Now we change it as categorized horizontal. A bar chart appears. Now we drag a new bar chart. Okay, these two charts are the same, even the property setting here. Okay, we delete this one. Now we select the categorized by series vertical. This one. Okay, enlarge. Now the difference between categorized vertical and categorized by series vertical is the property has been changed as series on horizontal axis, and also can show as three-dimensional. See, three-dimensional. And you also can customize the padding, rotation, elevation, aspect. You also can set the type as radar and the funnel. Now we look at the style. We change the categorize and the vertical. Okay. Now the property you can change to show as line, as spline, as marker, as aerial, spline aerial, step line forward, step line backward, step line forward area, and step line backward area. The property setting of this chart style are the same, like the background and the border, and the title, legend, and so on. Okay, now we back to the bar chart. Style, the bar chart. Okay, and look at the missing value here. It means if there is a value of the catalog in line chart, like the line chart here, the line will break off. You can select ignore missing. The line will pass the missing value and continue to show. Okay, next let's introduce the background and board. We change to button. Okay, background and border. First, enable the background. To show the details of the chart here, we set new margin value as 15. So you can see the space here of the chart was enlarged. Now see it clear, 60. Oops, see 60. Okay. And the inside margin we reset as, see it clear, 20. Now inside margin here, it's not clear. Okay, 60. Now clear to see margin here, inside margin 60. Okay, back to 5. Okay. And now it's more narrow than before because we set the inside margin as 5. Okay, and the corner type here. Click the down arrow. Click the down arrow to choose the type. You can set rounded inner, cut, square, like rounded is rounded inner, and cut, and square. Okay. And also can set the corner size. Drag the cursor to change the value here. Did you see the change of the corner size? Yes. Okay. And the background field. It enable default. The color show as gray here. It's not very clear, but it's gray. You can disable it by clicking the box. And the field type now is gradient. You can select solid or image. Now we choose solid and change the field color green. You see? Okay. If you select the gradient, the color is in the middle of the background. And now we change color as blue. It's purple, sorry. Blue is blue. Yes, it's blue. So in the middle of the background is blue. And let's start as green. Yes, green, blue. So end by red, like traffic light. Okay. Now you also can set the position and the opacity of each color here. And there is a add button beside opacity. You can add more color model you like. See, another like yellow. Okay, not too clear. Just delete it. Okay. And the gradient angle here, gradient angle can be changed by drag the cursor, like, did you see the change of the color? Smooth, like this way. Okay, back to before. Oops. Okay, now let's see the image here type. Okay, and it defaults as stretch here, image mode, and select an image file here. I just choose someone colorful. Bubble. Yeah, bubble. Nice picture. Oops. Okay. It will show as a background of the chart, and you can hatch view to enable it. There are more properties in hatch view. The hatch view type default as diagonal cross and diagonal break, and it has horizontal break and default and flat and solid diamond, many. And here, and the pattern size also can be adjusted by clicking pattern size here. 60, oops, 20, or 10, like before. Okay, backward. But we have the diagonal cross here. Change the size 20 and 30 and 10. Clear? Okay. And you also can change the hatch fill color here. Click yellow. Did you see the cross color changed? Red and black and blue. Okay, red is clear. Okay. And you also can change the hatch fill opacity. Oops, disappear. Then back in 4.